Hey there artists, today we're going to learn how to draw a snowman. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with the scarf first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a big U shape. And on each side, I'm going to do these curved lines. This is going to be a little fold in the scarf. So I'm actually going to add another curved line like this. And I'm going to connect these two lines together with another wide U shape. So these two lines are representing the thickness of the scarf. So I'm going to draw two lines that curve and run parallel with each other. And now I'm going to connect these two lines with a straight line. So now that we have the scarf, I'm actually going to move to the top of the snowman, and I'm going to work on the snowman's head. For his head, I'm going to draw a big half circle. So there's going to be a big half circle like this. And all I did was just add a curved line on each side. And this snowman is going to be wearing a Santa's hat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a curved line at the top to kind of cut off my circle. And this is where the bottom of the Santa hat will be. So for the Santa hat, I'm going to draw a curved line like a C shape, like this, and another backward C shape. And I'm going to connect the two lines with a curved line. So feel free to pause the video at any point if you guys need to catch up. No worries, take your time. We'll be right here the whole time. Now to continue on to the Santa hat, I'm going to do like a big curved C shape, or a backward C shape. And now we're going to add the little pom-pom at the top of the Santa hat. And all I'm doing is I'm just going to draw this circle. So I'm actually going to give the Santa hat some details, like some folds in the hat. And it's just going to be like the skinny V shape like that. So we're going to move on to the snowman's face. And I'm going to actually start it off by drawing the nose, which is going to be the shape of a carrot. So to make this easy, I'm just going to do a backward C shape. And I'm going to do a straight line here at the top, and it's going to come down to a point, kind of like a triangle or a slice of pizza. And now we're going to do the eyes. So the eyes are going to be these circles like this. And like we do any eyes, we're going to do a little reflection on the inside. And let's give the snowman some eyebrows, just for a little bit of extra character. So I'm going to do like these bean-shaped eyebrows. So the snowmen actually have like a smile, right? And what do we do to make a smile? We're going to add these little circles that are going to be these rocks to make up the smile of our snowman. And all I'm doing is just adding a curved line of circles. Real quick, did you know that Japan actually holds the Guinness World Record for the most snowmen built in 1 hour? On February 28th, 2015, 2,036 snowmen were built in just 60 minutes. Pretty cool, right? Anyways, back to the video. So now we're going to actually work on the midsection of the snowman. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a C shape until I get to the scarf. And I'm going to imagine that circle or that C shape is going to keep going. And I'm going to draw this line right around its back. But I'm going to stop right here. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave some space to draw a stick for his arm. So I'm going to leave a little bit of a gap. And I'm going to continue that line until I get to the scarf. Now, snowmen usually have buttons. And we're going to make these circular spots like this. So now that the midsection of the snowman is done, we're actually going to give him some arms by drawing some sticks or some tree limbs. And, feel free to get creative and draw the limbs any way you want. I'm just going to do a couple of straight lines. And I guess they don't need to be too straight because these should be technically sticks off a tree. And I'm going to give him 3 fingers. So all I'm doing is these 3-sided rectangles. And these can be the fingers of the snowman's arm. And now we're going to do that on the other side, except we're going to do it a little bit shorter. So again, make your arms any way you want. You can make them crooked, straight. I'm making mine straight. And I'm going to give them 3 little fingers. So by adding these 3-sided rectangle, so now we're going to move on to the last section of our snowman. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this big U shape, and it's going to start here and it's going to end here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my time and I'm going to go slow by drawing this big wide U shape. And that should be the bottom section of our snowman. So this is the outline of my snowman. So I'm actually going to take this time to color him in with some marker and possibly some color pencils. And feel free to make it look just like mine or make it any way you want. It doesn't have to look like mine. But one thing I do ask is that you take your time when you're coloring, because coloring is what really makes your drawing a pretty cool drawing. So I'll be right back. And this is my snowman. One thing I ask is remember when you're coloring, take your time. Because you know what? Coloring actually really adds some cool detail and makes your drawing a really cool drawing. Anyways, if you guys like these kind of videos, make sure you guys like and subscribe for the next one. And I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.